Indices traded mix yesterday, where US30 and Germany has shown a little bullish bias, while UK 100 and Nasdaq 100 traded with a slight bearish bias, but again recovering towards the end of the day. So now what to expect today from Germany 40, UK 100, Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators, and this is going to be in the same sequence where I am going to give you the trading levels and strategy for each of these. Do watch till the end. If you're not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel. Do like, share, and comment as well. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Watch that as well. Now, first, let's have a look at the hourly charts. On the hourly charts, we have seen DAX staying within the zone here. It has traded slight bearishly, but see 15,900, 15,880 proven out to be a great support as we have discussed yesterday. Now, on the upside, we all know 15,940, 960 zone is where we have maximum resistance. Thus, any point of time, if you see Germany staying beyond 15,940 or 960 zone, you can buy. Expect it to break past 16,000 levels, which is the next resistance zone. Right now, it is taking the support from the 20 period moving average here. The stochastic was overbought. It is trying to cool down a bit. MACD is flat and at a neutral levels. RSI is flat as well. On the 2-hour charts, similar observation is seen. Prices converged here. Now, taking the support from the 20 period moving average. 5900, 880, very, very good support. Also, one must note on the upside, consistently lower highs are seen, and on the downside, higher lows are seen. Thus, it has to come out of this zone in order to take a clear direction. Stochastic rising. MACD has seen good bearish move. It is trying to converge crossover. If it does, then bulls will take over. RSI is staying flat. Likewise, on the 3-hour chart, see after giving lower lows here, one straight reversal candle, and this is still giving you lower highs, higher lows. Thus, we know that beyond 15,940, 960 zone is where the bulls will be taking over completely. And then this could be treated as a breakout where you can look forward to 16,000 plus levels. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish, RSI is also come out of the overbought zone here. And similar is the story on the 4-hour chart, where after getting the support from the 20 period, it is looking upwards, it is trying to take a shape. The stochastic is rising here, MACD is divergent and bearish, and this crossover has come at a higher level, thus it is tried to trade with slight bearishness. RSI has just come out of the overbought zone. Now see on the daily charts, first of all, lower highs are done, higher lows are seen. Thus, when you see DAX staying below 15,880, just stay short. We are going to look forward to a major drop for 840 and 800. Now, also remember, see, there is a strong rise which is preceding this, and there is a reversal sign as well. Thus, it is only after 15,940, 960, you can say that the prices are turning bullish and you can look forward to higher highs towards 16,000. Else, it has seen the peak and it can possibly continue on the downside. We have to be very, very watchful in between 880 and 960 level. Yes, the prices are having too much of distance from the moving average, which is right now at 15,400, 600 zone. There should be a little retracement, but right now it is not showing any signs. The stochastic is overbought. It can try to cool down a bit. The MACD is divergent. It is still in green. It can possibly converge. And yes, it has seen good enough bullish moves for it to converge crossover for sell. RSI is overbought as well. Thus, looking at this, I will recommend you to buy DAX today at 15,960 levels and sell at 15,880 levels. In between these 80 points, you have to exercise extra caution. Below 15,880, we are looking forward to 840, 850 as the first target and 800 as the next. Remember, it is consolidating still. It is not taking a clear-cut direction. Thus, we have to wait for it to take a clear direction. And above 960 is still 980, 16,000, 16,020. As long as 16,020 is there, we have to be cautious. It can reverse, but beyond 16,020, do not think of selling DAX. It is going to fly high towards 16,100 levels and plus levels. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at UK 100. Now see what UK 100 did. It has moved towards 7,450 levels. As we have seen yesterday that below 7,480, we can look forward to a fall. It has seen a smart recovery as well, but what it is doing, it is giving you lower highs, lower lows here. Thus, we have to wait for it to break past 7,500 levels And we all know that 7500, 7520 is a great resistance for UK 100. But if you see it is staying beyond 7500 today, we can initiate a buying position. What it has done, rise, forming a flag, a breakout is what you should look forward to. Stochastic has dropped, MACD is divergent and bullish looking upwards, RSI is flat. Similar story on the 4-hour, 2-hour charts as well. It has converged towards 100 period, rising, but it is also giving you lower highs and lower lows. Also, if you notice here, see, this is the support line on the downside. Thus, as long as 7450 is taken today, we have to be careful. Also on the downside, one can sell here at 7470, but then we have to be careful of 7460 and 50 levels as well. Stochastic near to overbought. MACD crossing here for a buy position. Possibly we can see bullishness if it stays beyond 7500. RSI is staying flat. On the 3-hour chart, see one bullish candle, consolidation, and a smaller bullish candle, lower highs, lower lows, largely staying in this zone. It has to give a breakout in order to confirm a direction. If you see stochastic, this is overbought. MACD is still bearish, trying to converge. RSI is looking downwards. Coming to 4-hour chart, likewise on the 4-hour charts, a reversal sign and a breakout. Yes, it has achieved higher highs here. Now the body size is smaller, less than 50% of the complete move. This suggests that the prices are not interested in staying bullish. There is a push from the upside, and that is why it has shown a drop here. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish, RSI is flat. Coming to the daily chart. Now look at the daily chart. See, first of all, the preceding candle was a red candle but with a smaller body, and this suggests here on the daily chart that the prices are not willing to stay bearish. Yes, the retracement is done, and once it breaks out beyond 7500 and 7520 zone, just stay long in FTSE 100. We are going to look forward to a breakout towards 7550, 7580 levels. Yes, a breakout is what you should look forward to. It is consistently yielding higher lows, lower highs. Thus, it is a consolidation which is going on. We have to see or wait for a breakout. Stochastic near to top, MACD is in green, RSI flat. Thus, if you are buying, first of all, you can buy here at 7500, but then with the caution note that 7510, 7520, these two and very nearby levels, it has to break, and only above 7520, you can treat this as a bullet. Beyond 7520, do not think of selling UK 100, it is going to fly towards 7550, 7580. On the downside, you can sell here at 7470, but be very cautious for 7450 levels, 7460 levels. Only below 7450, we can expect further bearishness, which will take it till towards 7420, the next milestone, and below that a crash can be seen. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq 100. See, Nasdaq 100, after forming the reversal, I had showed you in my yesterday's review that it is showing a reversal sign. What beautifully it has done, it has turned or erased all the gains which it has seen, and now with the support again trying to rise. Yes, it is consolidated here, but remember, after the drop, this is a retracement, not a reversal, unless and until the preceding highs at 16,000 plus levels are not breached. I will not treat this as bullish. Stochastic looking upwards, MACD is bearish trying to converge, RSI is flat here. Likewise on the 2-hour charts, yes, we have seen the prices converging here. It is consolidating, waiting for a breakout. A breakout either which ways is going to be a stronger one. First, it has to stay below 15,900. Below 15,900, we can take a sell position, but with a caution note that 15,870, 15,850 levels are going to provide maximum support to Nasdaq 100. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish, RSI is flat. And on the 3-hour charts, similar observation here. See the rise, retracement towards the 20 period, then the rise, the retracement towards the 20 period, again consolidating here. It has to come out, it has to break below this 50 period moving average, and then you can say that the prices are turning bearish. Thus 15,800, as long as it is not taken, you cannot say that Nasdaq 100 has turned bearish. Stochastic at bottom trying to rise, MACD is divergent and bearish, RSI is flat. Coming to 4-hour chart, likewise on the 4-hour charts, it's still in the consolidation zone. Thus, first thing is it has to break beyond 15,960. Once it stays above 15,960, you can buy. Expect 16,020 and then 16,050 levels, and beyond 16,050 just stay bullish. We are looking forward to 16,100, 140 levels. Stochastic at bottom, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI is flat. Coming to the daily. Now look at the daily chart. See bullish moves, bullishness getting diminished here. Red candle. Yes, it has not taken the support levels here at 15,800, 780. And it is only, and now see, important thing is the day has started flat here. So there could be a swing. It has a swing possibility towards 15,850. And it is to be treated bearish only and only if it stays below 15,800. Now, to get the max out of it, yes, one can sell here at 15,900, but with the caution note that 15,870, 840, 800, three major support levels, and below 15,800 is where complete reversal, complete bearishness will be seen. Else it is looking upwards, and thus once you see it staying beyond 15,960, we can expect it to trade bullish, and we can expect a rise towards 16,020, 16,050 levels. Stochastic has dropped a little. MACD trying to converge. It has not yet crossed over. We have to wait for a crossover here. RSI has come out of the overbought zone. Thus, buy at 15,960, sell at 15,900. In between these 60 points, let's not trade Nasdaq100. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. And before we proceed, if you want to trade as per the signals, you can join my signals channel on Telegram, or if you want to learn the art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. The details related to the batch and the signals channel you can get from me via Telegram or email. My contact details are there in the channel and video description. Also, you can visit my page forexfunda.com, where you get all the information related to the batch. The webinar also, the Sunday, we are going to have the weekly webinar where we are going to see the market insights. Yes, also, this platform has much more in offering, be it the breaking news from across the globe or the economic calendar data releases, and yes, the live charts for anything and everything which is traded across the globe is available. So do visit the platform. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones, and yes, you can join my signals channel or mentorship. 28th batch is going to start soon. US30 crossing over here, traded with divergence and bullishness, looking upwards. Also, if you look at, yes, it has completed the recovery here, and since then it has traded bullish. Now, if you also notice, the support levels are created here, but I will come back to the daily charts later. Let's start with the hourly charts. On the hourly charts, very clearly, it has formed a strong support here at 35,050, 35,040 levels, and since then it has resumed its upward move. But despite the upward move, right now, even if you look at, I will be looking forward to the lower highs, lower lows. Thus, once it breaks past 35,150, 180 zone, you can say that it has turned bullish, and we can look forward to, in fact, this time 35,300 levels. Thus, we have to wait for it to break past 35,150, 180 zone in order to confirm further rise. The stochastic overbought, MACD has crossed over, trying to trade with little divergence. It has seen the bottom, and if it rallies from here, it is going to bring a stronger bullish momentum. RSI is flat. Coming to 2-hour chart. Likewise, on the 2-hour charts, divergence from the 20 period, convergence, divergence from the 20 period, convergence. Yes, it can stay bullish. Look at the 2-hour charts here. Higher lows. See, first of all, it is consolidated bullishness here. Now it is trying to rise. We may look at 35, 150, 180 zone, and above 180, just stay bullish in US30. Also on the downside, see, below 35,100, we can initiate a selling position, but it is only to be treated bearish if you see it is staying below 35,040 levels. Stochastic overbought, MACD is bearish, RSI is flat. Coming to 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, 20 period moving average, again proving out a very good support, and this is the first candle. Second candle can be seen, which might take the prices little higher. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish, RSI is flat. On the 4-hour chart, see a reversal sign, first bullish candle. We can see a possible rise here. We have to watch out more closely. Stochastic is rising as well. MACD is bearish here. That is the only bearish indication. RSI flat. Coming to the daily chart. Now look at daily chart. See, first of all, bullishness here, bullishness getting diminished, then lower highs. And yes, if you see the charts here, lower highs means we have to wait for it to break past 35, 160, 180 zone in order to confirm further rise. And yes, it can still reverse. It can completely reverse towards this zone at 34,900 as well, as long as 35,180 35,200 is not taken, we should not be treating US30 as bullish. Now see, too much of divergence from the moving average calls for it to converge a bit. Right now, the 20 period moving average is sitting at 34,500 levels. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI overbought as well. Thus, considering this, I will only recommend you to buy here at 35 180 levels, a distant level, but that is a safer entry for US30, because beyond which 35,240 and beyond 35,240, do not think of selling US30. It is going to hit 35,350, 400 today itself, and beyond 35,400, 35,500 is the next target. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell here at 35,120 levels, but 35,080, 35,040, two major support levels, and beyond 35,040 is where the bears will be taking over for 34,950, 34,900 levels. Take your trades accordingly. On the downside, we have seen a selling entry. On the upside, it is only about 35,180. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Stay tuned with the next update before the US session. Thus, press the bell icon, subscribe to the channel. Do like, share, and comment. And yes, join my mentorship batch or signals channel or my live webinar. And all the updates are available in my Telegram channel, free Telegram channel. All the links are there in the channel and video description. Visit the page forexhonda.com for more details. Thank you very much. See you again before the US session update. Thank you.